If you want to remove a payment method from your SHEIN account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon of the account section. Step 3. Go to payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the payment methods or payment options section. Click on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find a payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete this payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the payment method, confirm that you want to remove it. You may need to follow prompts to finalize the removal process. Once you have completed these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your SHEIN account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to SHEIN customer support for assistance.